What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Gonna take my M4 to get an oil change. You hear that? Woo. Hopefully I can get a nice little on-ramp pull before we go in. It looks dope because it's something you could build yourself, you know? It's super easy to build a lot of these BMW. Like, these BMWs are easy to make. If I crash this, I can get another one tomorrow. But you can't get another 240. Not that you
Tell me more.
After you crash it, but we have arrived. Now check this out. I don't even know what this is. It looks like it's 06 series. Where did like this? Oh, not the key, man. Where's this? All in the back?
All the way in the back as far as you can.
I got a long walk, man.
It's a bit of a walk, man, but you gotta check it out.
A man tells me the Porsche is all the way in the back. Yo, this must be cool kid parking.
It is.
Cool kid parking. This is my guy Hassan right here, man. So this is who you want to come see if you want to pick up something here with some mileage on it, man.
Yeah, come see me. Got a little YouTube channel, Auto Fanatic CT. Come check it out. And if you want to check out my Instagram, it's M3_heat. You can't miss it.
Got you. So he pretty much has the keys to every single used BMW here. If you guys want to come check it out, it gets you a nice one.
Thank you.
Listen, don't ask me about the payments. I don't know.
We're just like you guys, you know. So there's a lot of other BMW dealerships, but to get the enthusiasts, people that actually care, real people, come see us. Well, I'm gonna let him, you know, show you around the Porsche. I'm gonna go back inside. I got some people to take care of, but thank you. Check out my channel. I would appreciate it.
Yo, bro, definitely. I'm gonna have a nice walk around in this one too, man.
No doubt, man. Here,
listen, man. I'm gonna leave rich.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back at slow speed, man. I know where you live.
How you do? It's on the paperwork. Whew, check this out. Today is one of them days, man. Today is one of them days, man. 981 GT4. This is just track ready right here. Woo. Oh man. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the front and the back. This right here is for my girl, just for you. Look. Wow, she cannot seem to fathom a car that does not have an engine in the front. Here we go. Look at that. Interior. These seats are no joke. These are like the CSL type of seats for Porsche. My boy Darian has that. Shout out to my guy Darian. That was the first Porsche on the channel. My guy's 991.2 Carrera T. Same type of setup. Door pull straps. Whew. Alcantara with the stitching. Oh my God, this is very beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the wing. I'm gonna grab it somewhere down here. Oh, that's heavy. I think I was fighting it, but have some storage back here too. Not much, but this thing is dope. This wing makes it, I don't know if it's heavy. Let me see, push it down. All right, we're down. I wish I would have brought my good mic out. Mike's gonna try to fit in these seats. The clutch is kind of far now, actually, so I legit have to move it up. It's kind of tight. I will be honest, it is tight, but driving position, I don't know if I could bring the seat down a little bit more. This is pretty good though. Pretty decent. I'm not sure if this is aftermarket or Porsche spec or Porsche built. The yellow vents, I'd have personally kept them black. You have the Sports Chrono. The stitching is pretty good too. I like the stitching. But seat belts. Oh my, yo, this is like, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I was not planning for this. Look in the mirror, you see that big wang. Look at that. That big wang. It's a manual. Where's the e-brake on here? Just to know. Just for, oh, right here. Okay. Porsche key. It's in neutral. Where's the clutchy? Oh, that is a nice firm clutch. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice short throw. Reverse is all the way over. You gotta let me drive this thing one day, man. Oh. And we're setting off. First time behind the wheel of the... Oh. Oh, yo, it just feels so raw. Just this little quick stunt around the parking lot. It is kind of tiny. Oh, it has little burbly sounds. I can't believe this, yo. This is dope. Oh, this is dope. Let me park here by my guy Hassan. I just really just doing 1 to 2 shifts in this thing. Okay, you guys didn't see that. Oh man, oh, it feels good. Park it next to my guy. E-brake, e-brake, e-brake. Push it. Check this out. Ah, nice. We're not gonna rev this thing crazy, obviously, because it's not fully warmed and then it's not my car. There is some sort of aftermarket exhaust in here and you can hear it. But I'll do you one better. You can literally hear the intake sound from right here. It's crazy. You guys had the choice to choose between, oh my God, take 55. If you guys had the choice to choose between the two, if you guys had the choice to choose between the two, which one would it be? GT4, F80. Some might argue that this combo together, orange with the yellow, would be perfect for your garage or your driveway. You got space and you have fun. But you have fun in this one too. And you have a little bit of space in that one too. So it's like, these are 2 nice cars, man. Oh, so beautiful. I really would like Hassan and my guy over there to link up and we take these things for proper drives so we can see what they're about. Competition spec F80 with suspension. He has, I think, Fortune Auto coilovers on this thing, so. Yo, it's so direct. Like, you instantly get in this car, you can tell you're driving a Porsche. Park this puppy back in the cut. Back it up a little bit, just because I want to drive it a little bit more. We good? Push. Back in her spot. No scratches. So if it's scratch, it wasn't me, bro. So nice, so beautiful. It's time to go though. Back next to this, jeez, X7. Look at this. Huge. Huge. But let's get up out of here. Oh no, you had me. Porsche, I loved you. I loved you, but now I'm gonna show you guys a proper sounding car. That's what I'm talking about. So, bow, made it back to the crib. Unfortunately, actually, this is the first time I didn't run out of battery. I ran out of space because I wasn't planning on filming that. I just filmed on honestly just driving to the dealership and back. While I was there, they had a few cool cars in there. A 6 Series, I want to say it's an M6 or 635M. I don't know exactly what they named it back then. Super cool. Also got a chance to look at another CSL, M4, M2, and the BMW XM. And yeah, that car, I never really liked it in the beginning. I didn't really get to see one. I stopped by the dealership, took a look at it. It is a nice looking car. The back's a little bit weird, I will admit. The XM badge placement is obviously weird too. The exhaust kind of stack on top of each other instead of side by side. The front is like no other BMW I've seen before. What I'm trying to say is it does not look like a BMW at all. You know, the wheels, didn't give me really M vibe, but it is a nice looking car. There's something nice about it. Interior is crazy too. The color combo, a little bit on the bold side. The white dope, but that brown a little off. The interior is dope though, as usual. Exposed carbon fiber, like a dry carbon fiber. I didn't talk to you about this while I was recording because there was somebody in there working out some kind of deal and I wanted to give them their privacy and just shoot some more B-roll. So there you go. Also got a chance to check out the M4 CSL again. Look at this. Here we have the big dogs. This is the new XM. M4 CSL. Loosely based off of my car. I say loosely. Pretty sure it's the same chassis and stuff like that. It's not the GT4, M4 GT4 or whatever, but same setup, almost a similar same color too. Just this one is matte, like kind of frozen color. Let me know. I don't know how I feel about this, the way the carbon comes all the way out. Those bucket seats are pretty cool. Look at that. They're fixed, so you can't move them up and down like you think the carbon buckets on my car. No armrest. All of that white is the carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice spec. Massive. It actually looks like on Alibaba, AliExpress, all those sites to try to find something to retrofit the rear end of my car to look like the CSL, basically, because these laser tail lights as well, they look dope. I like the one color design looking thing. But, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the carbon fiber trunk to line up this good, especially Alibaba special taillights too. You see how they fit flush? My thoughts haven't changed on that car. It is incredible. If you have the money, then get it. I think that the competition models are the best bang for your buck. And if you want to be that special guy to get the CS or the CSL, well, they are available, and it is available there, I think, for stickers. So, $145. With that, you get carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber hood. Pretty sick setup. For me, no, my pockets don't run that deep, and if they did, I'd have a long list of cars that I'd probably get ahead of it. But it stops at some people for the M4, and the M4 CSL is a pretty good car to buy to say that this is my end-all be-all. So, hope you guys like this video, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Mike from So Speed.